Uh-oh, I'm so hungry. What do I do? Aha, have a good idea. I'm going to eat roast chicken. It was at this feast party. Ha! I finished the cooking. It was in the big roast chicken. Yes! You are best, Mom. And I always wish you did it again. Oh, it's okay, mushroom bunny cookie. It's always I put those roast chicken for you. I wish you don't. Oh my god, I don't have cake. I'm going to buy cake on bakery shop. You cannot stay here. It was the care and it was the gets crowded on Iwankowski.EXE. Alright? Alright, Mom. It was to be it. Be careful of whatever is roast chicken. Oh, there it is. I'm going to eat roast chicken. What is the sound? Hey you! Dude! My evil clone! What are you doing? Don't touch this roast chicken! No, I'm gonna eat right now! Stop! Go away now! Yeah! Ouch! I'm going to steal roast chicken. Oh my god! Oh no, you don't die. You really love escape, my evil clown. Don't you eat this roast chicken. I do. Did it. Roast chicken, even the cousin of your mom has been to get grounded forever. You cannot do it here today. You deserve it, and you should be grounded. And then I will call your parents and sing you, and also gets grounded away, get home, and also grew it right now. Go away now. Wow. Wait, she got home. Dude. Oh my god! Where is roast chicken? And was it not going to be feast party for party time? Oh hey Mom! Did you get the original roast chicken? This is all gone. It was Iwankowski.EXE, my evil clone. It's always in the egg like roast chicken that has to be eaten him. Oh my god! Oh my god! Iwankowski, how did you get to eat roast chicken on a feast party? What? Mom? Yes, I did it. Ah! How dare you want to get to the eating roast chicken about a feast party? It's always a course over the feast today. It's always a notion to get people when they might be get bad. It'll only for you with the before. And do what's the cooking time? It's always for you. You can't want it to go to the dying causing it now. Get over here about it today. I said you want to get was a portal. I feel this for you. Fight. Ow, ow, ow. Ow, 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 ow. It's hurt. Go to the die cause it's great right now. Ah. Bye. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to my channel to my logos while you should rating in the day. Want me? Please hit the turn off when you should in the mouth void. Goodbye, guys.